time has passed.
Let's go, Paul.
Like I'm an hourglass. And the sand is moving fast. In this life I live, my dad is my best friend. But it seems like I never call him unless I need some money.
Job sucks.
The people around me, I mean the ones that I do have. It's like they're here today. They'll probably be gone tomorrow. When it's raining hard.
The fuck?
The next comic's a really good friend of mine. He's my favorite angry plumber, guys. Give it up for Danny DOOSHBAG. How you guys doing? How's it going? Good. It's true, yes, I'm a plumber. I'm a comedian plumber. It's great. This shit doesn't pay the bills. Shit pays the bills. It's fucking great. People always ask me if I ever had a woman try to come on to me while I was, I'm working. And I'm like, I'm not gonna lie, yeah, like, they're usually about 80, you know. Horny old bitches out there, they're right. On the other side of grandma, you don't know.
No, that horny old lady's trying to take my fucking clothes off, you know. Hey, well, not for nothing. I don't need this shit. Okay. All right. I'll see you in a bit.
How you guys doing? Hello, Hartford. What's up, St. Patty's Day? Yeah. How you doing? Yeah. My name's Danny. Danny boy. And usually, when people meet me, they want to sing me the Danny Boy song. I figured there'd be one asshole that would. When you're at home, I'm in your fridge. You know, I got my feet up. I'm watching HBO. You got stuffed peppers in your fridge. Hey, the plumbers were here and the peppers ain't. You figure it out, you know. Hey, Danny DOOSHBAG, presto plumber. I'll clean your pipes and your fridge, you know.
Hey, what are you doing, whippets?
We didn't have money for weed or nothing. Sniff paint. Sure, you know, it happens. You know, my mom's like, he loves doing those test draw models, you know. They never put any together. Growing up, my mom, she always used to tell me whatever I would touch would turn to shit. Now I'm a plumber, you know. Life's full of surprises.
No, they fired me from my day job. I don't know. They found out I do comedy, so they fired me.
You want pizza?
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't, motherfucker.
Wendy's is open till 2 a.m.
God, fuck, you know, like at that point, I'm at Wendy's, you know, buying like 5 doubles, whatever the fuck they got, it's equivalent to a McDouble, I don't know. You know, I know everybody thinks that plumbers make great money, but I'm fucking broke. I'm fucking broke, you know. You know, the worst part about being broke is you always get that asshole that's like, where'd all your money go?
All right, Dad. Thanks a lot.
Don't call me anymore for money.
I'm not coming back until you pay me for the last job. Yeah. Now I'll work for sandwiches.
A long time ago, Vikings came, they were pillaging, raping, and banging bitches, and all sorts of shit happened, alright? I don't fucking know. Now I'm all pissed off again. And I should sue that bitch, little Debbie, for me being a loser my whole fucking life. Pick last, you know? How come the price of those fucking things never went up either? These people get raises in this factory. Zebra cakes and shit. You know, I guess you guys figured out by now, I'm a bit of a loser. You know, comics and losers. This is how it goes. We live in third floor efficiency apartments. You know, we talk at ourselves in the mirror with a can of deodorant. I didn't wear deodorant. You know, and the guy above me, he's like beating on the floor, like, shut the fuck up down there. I'm like, somebody ain't saying this. Fuck you. But yes, I'm here and I'm a loser. My parents split. My father, he remarried Jewish. Yeah, he remarried Jewish, so it's kind of weird. Like, I'll go celebrate Hanukkah every year. All the Jews, yeah. And they're over there and they're fucking talking. They're like, I don't know what the fuck they're saying, because I'm the Hanukkah. I don't speak Hanukkah. I'm not Irish! I'm not Irish, and drunk people like muckling me and everything. I'm just like a poster boy for Lucky Charms. I understand! You know? It makes you feel awkward, you know? It's fucked up too, because like, I know I'm my mother's kid. I mean, my mother hates me. She would have told me by now, you know. I didn't have that porno growing up. You know, I had to jerk off the Little House on the Prairie. Boy, I had to share Texas, split, you know? Shit, if I didn't wake up on time, man, I had to jerk off to Judge Judy. Not gonna say it till it happens.
Miss Petrarca, I told you, there's nothing leaking. No. Listen, I'm pretty sure that's your grandson pissing on the floor. I went there the other day. I showed you, that was not water, that was urine.
Thank you very much.
In the hospital, catheter in my dick, sucking on a popsicle. They say you ran over officers in a 5.0. Bumping Papa Road. I said, where's my...
Presto Plumber. Yeah. Hello, Gene. How are you? Yes. No, I'm always happy to hear from you. Uh-huh. Yeah, Gene, do you still have 13 cats? No, I'm just checking. Didn't know if maybe one of them died.
Woke up in the back of the cop car with my dick looking redder than a lobster.